Hi friends, so this is a very quick video. I just quickly wanted to let you know that we now have a new interface, and I quickly wanted to show you what has been changed and how you can use or work with the new interface as it is right now. So prior to this update, the main buttons have been on the right side. However, we now have moved them up here. So all the main menus are selectable from the top bar here, and depending on which menu you select, the submenu down here will change. And then depending on which submenu you selected, it will change it here in the panel as well. Then besides that, we also made or added an option to have the panels small or large, or you can also hide it. As for the multiple page panel, that one's still the same on the left side, so you can just click on multiple pages and the panel should show up like this. Then let's quickly go back to this top bar. So on the first tab you have My Styles, where you can apply your saved styles. Then on the text panel we added a guide, so you can understand what the H1, H2, H3 text is. And another change we did is we moved the font selection to cover the whole right panel, so it's much easier to select fonts now. They are divided into script fonts and regular fonts. And then up here you can change the font and you can make them bold, or you can also adjust the text spacing as well. And then on the widget panel, most of it has been kept the same for the menu. However, up here it's much easier to navigate and to search through all the widgets. We also divided it into widgets, stickers and creators. And then on the layout panel, you can choose to add, or you can choose to navigate between planner, sticker layouts, planner cards, sticky notes, dividers. As for the planner layout panel, here is where you choose the layout. Below is where you can adjust the layout, such as the paddings and the margins. And then if you click on adjust layout, here is where you can customize or create your own layout. Then the sizing panel is the same. The styling panel has changed. We've divided the styles into neutrals, minimal, decorative and bold. So it's much easier now to know and see how each style looks like. And then here is the color palette. And what's new is you can also type in the hex code if you know the hex code. You can choose a palette, or you can generate random palettes as well. And then the pattern panel is much easier to navigate through as well. So here is where you can select different kinds of patterns. You can also search for the patterns and change the color of it. And the last menu is the Save Export menu. So here you can save it or export the planner, or you can also save the current style here as well. And if you want to hide or change the color of the cut lines, you can do that as well here. Then last, here is the sticker panel or the sticker menu. So when you click on stickers, this sticker menu here will show up, where you can search for different kinds of stickers. And something else we did is we've added a menu up here where you can flip the stickers easily. Or you can also move them up or move them down if you have multiple stickers that are overlapping each other. And then the last menu here is the opacity, so if you need to change the opacity of the sticker, you can do this up here as well. And then next to the stickers are the widgets. So here we only have 5 widgets which are available under the sticker mode, and one of them is the text widget. So customizing the text is much easier now as well. You can just type it here on the right side. Then you can change the font up here if you click on A and change it like this. So this is much easier than it was before as well. And then for the recipe code, here if you click up here, you can type in the recipe code in this box here, and you can, additionally to that, you can also search for your collection where you save your planners, or you can also search public planners if you click here on this button. If you have any questions, feel free to message me anytime and I will try to respond to your questions as quickly as I can. Bye!